Nice. Boss Henry. And the race is on. Entry number 11, Winning Bid from the outside. And moving up is Tatotoo Lang, Significant Other. Inner class down on the inside is Laong Laan. Leon Face racing in 6th position. 7 belongs to Anonymous. Moving up by the rallies, Apo Bell. Alongside is Rocky Feller, Swap Tiger, and Manila's Gem. Winning Bid by some 2 lengths, followed by Sa Totoo Lang. Inner class is on the outside. Rushing up is entry number 1. This one is Laong Laan on the further outside. It's now Winning Bid from the outside is Inner Class. And moving up is Apo Bell down on the inside, Laong Laan. As they race the last 450, Apo Bell is now the leader. Inner Class on the outside, in between runners, Winning Bid, Laong Laan. And nearing the finish line, Apo Bell by some 2 lengths now. Inner Class running in second on the outside is Anonymous, Winning Bid. And nearing the finish line, Apo Bell, Inner Class on the outside. And finally, Apo Bell, Inner Class, Anonymous, Laong Laan, Leon Face. And for your super sa East number